बैक विद अनदर अमेजिंग वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियो का टाइटल बताने वाली हूँ मैं आपको एकदम अलग अंदाज में। मैं हूँ डांस, म्यूजिक, ड्राइंग, एक्टिंग में थी नॉट अ ट्रुथ। और आज की वीडियो का टाइटल है 7 हेयर स्टाइल्स फॉर द फीट। This was random one। इसी बात में वीडियो को कर दो लाइक और शेयर और चैनल को कर दो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब। So guys, without any further backcheat, let's begin.
Hey.
Firstly, comb your hair neatly. Then take some few strips of hair at the front of your face. Take a small portion of hair as I am doing in the video. And just comb it so that it will look neat. And then just roll it around. Soon it will look like a bun. And then secure it with a small clutcher. You can also use a hairband. Yes, that's it. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes to make, and it is looking super fresh, and it is automatically glowing up my face and looking super cute on me. Hope it will look also good on you. For Monday is the best hairstyle day. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सेकेंड हेयर स्टाइल। इसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले अपने हेयर को 2 पार्टीशंस में डिवाइड करना होगा। देन यू हैव टू टेक अ स्मॉल पार्ट फ्रॉम वन साइड एंड देन जस्ट ब्रेड इट आउट। अगर आप लोगों को ब्रेड्स करनी नहीं आती और आप ये देखना चाहते होती हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। एंड येस गाइज, दैट्स इट। एंड अब आपको वैसे ही सेम चीज़ दूसरी साइड भी कर लेनी है। सी मैजिक, मैंने कर ली है दोनों साइड्स अपनी ब्रेड्स and there are some beauty shots. Now I will secure it with a black colored small rubber band. And now do the same with the other side. And yes, that's the final hairstyle. This is super cute and I can't get over from it. This is the hairstyle for Tuesday.
Ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay.
I am pairing my hairstyle with some colorful earrings. Firstly, do a little sided partition and then take a strip of hair from one side. Then take all the hairs at the front and the back to one side so that it will look thick and we could make a thick braid, and then secure your hair strip. And that's it. Now what you have to do, you have to braid these hair. Yes, now I have braided this hair. Now I am securing it with a hairband and I am using blue color. And then I am taking some small strips at the front. I will recommend to do it in almost every styles because this will add up a cute look in your hairstyle.
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
Okay, so now that's it. It is a perfect hairstyle for Wednesday, I personally can say. Wow, that's looking so beautiful. Firstly, do equal partition of the hair and make braid at one side, and yes, do the same at the other side. See, I have also done here. I have done both the braids at both the sides. Now do as shown on the video. Expressions को ignore करना. Okay, so now take a braid from one side and just pull it to the other side and just pin it up. Seems difficult, but not. Now do the same to the other side. You can clearly see the process in the video. And yes guys, that's it. It's so simple, and guys, you can see braids are looking so beautiful in this manner. And Thursday ke liye it's the best. Even I will try to do it on Thursdays. Yes, so simple. Let's start. First, comb your hair. Do exact 2 partitions of the hair and then take them in the front. Comb them neatly. Remember, no hair should be left at the back side. Now take few strips of hair strips in the front like I am doing in the video. Now take 2 rubber bands and make 2 ponytails as I am doing in the video. Remember one thing, do not let your earrings hide. Yes, and that's it. Wow, it's so cute, and for Friday it's the best hairstyle. I have paired this hairstyle with some hoop earrings and a matching band on my hands. So now let's start. First of all, comb your hair equally, do equal partition, and then take all the hair to the back in the style of a ponytail. Do not make the pony high, make the pony low, and comb the hair neatly. and now securing it the ponytail with the blue colored hairband, and that's it. Doing neatly comb is very important in this hairstyle because this hairstyle is all about neatness and glamorous things. Yes, that's it. It's so simple and wow यार, for Saturday it is very good one. Even मतलब 2 मिनट में आपके सारे हेयर स्टाइल्स मैंने इजी से बताया that ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. I have also used some hoop earrings here and I have also put some goggles on. Wow. Amazing. Even you can click awesome pictures with this outfit. Wow. I have paired up some jacket also. What to do for Sundays? It had to be relaxed. Yes, one idea. Usually on Sundays, most of the girls wash their hair. So I am giving a hairstyle like for that only. First of all, I have just combed my hair and put a small partition of hair at the front and other hairs at the back. Yes, this is so simple. Just you have to use the comb in this because Sunday is very relaxed day. So I am doing a very relaxing and a very like open hairs. Wow, it's so simple. It will not even take 1 minute.
Piña colada, alcohol sipping.
Okay guys, so this is all about today's video. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and comment the video and subscribe करना भूल मत जाना क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग सब्सक्राइब करना भूल जाते हैं. So बाय बाय. एंड गाइस, आपको कौन सी वीडियो नेक्स्ट चाहिए वो भी आप मुझे बता दीजिएगा. वैसे तो मैं सोच चुकी टाइटल वो भी एक अमेजिंग वीडियो होने वाली इस वाली वीडियो की तरह क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगी है वीडियो बनाने में. ओके बाय.